Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Freelancer Surveying. Today we are going to learn how can we open a Tiff file using window photo viewer. And here I have got some of the file that has a .tiff extension, and when we try to open this file we don't have a very good visualization, or it's very difficult to view the product, or sometimes it shows a file is corrupted or it is of large size. And you can see in the screen what does it shows. Okay, in this we are viewing DTM, but it didn't show anything, or it doesn't have any visualization from window photo viewer. And we have this another file which we can easily open it using window photo viewer, and you can see this in the screen. Okay, and it is of high quality. Okay, so and we also have another photo, sample photo, and it doesn't open. It shows that window photo viewer can't open this picture because the file appears to be damaged, corrupted, or too large. Okay, so in this video we are showing you how can we remove this, or how can we deal with this. Okay, so let's open the ArcGIS and add those files we want to view using window photo viewer. I feel easy to add the files using drag and drop, or you can use catalog for this operation, or for to add them in ArcGIS. Okay, after adding the file, we can see we have two files. One represents the DTM or elevation values, and another one represents orthophoto or orthomosaic from drone image. So let's go to its properties and symbology, and let's change its appearance or color concentration. And I select the stress types to none, so it is showing a natural color. Okay, it is because I want to view the image in natural color from window photo viewers too. So let's go to data and then export data, and let's create a location. Select workspace. Let's create a new folder for this, and FINAL final. Okay, let's name it that final, and let's add this as our workspace. Okay, and let's give a name to the file. Okay, orthomosaic, and select its format to TIFF, and compression type to ArcGIS, and the compression type affects the size of the data. And let's we should specifically use output raster, use render, and force RGB for visualization. And this is the most important part, you should not miss. And after this we can change the snow data values as, or we can leave it as it default, and then let's save it. Okay, it's saying we would like to add the exported data to the, and let's select no, and let's go to the exported folder and open the file and see it opens in Windows Media Player or not. And this is the file ArcMosaic, and let's open it. Okay, right click and select open. At the first time it takes some time, but don't worry, the file will open or should open. If you have any query, or if you have encountered any problem during this process, you can comment. Okay, now it is opening, and this is the ArcMosaic. We wanted to view it in window photo viewer. Okay, this is in ArcGIS and this is in window photo viewer, and it doesn't lose its quality, and we can easily view. Okay, this helps most of the time when your client or the person who wants to view doesn't have any GIS software in their computer. Then they can use window photo viewers to view the ArcMosaic .tiff file. Okay, and this is the file. We can view it in window photo viewer. You can see this in the screen. Okay, and let's try to do or try to open DTM in window photo viewer. So let's go to DTM, and this doesn't have very good visualization, so let's change this visualization. So let's go to DTM symbology. Okay, to represent the elevation value, most of the time we use this color ramp, and let's use hillside effect 2. Okay, and let's apply it. Okay, and this is the bin, and we see some of the square circle or square shapes in the image. So I'm changing some of this, testing the some of the setting here. You can do this for better visualization of the DTM. Okay, let's leave as it is. And let's go to display and resample it to cubic convolution, and this helps us to for better visualization. You can see a very smooth image line. Okay, and now let's export it. Okay, then right click, go to data, export data, and let's use renderer force RGB, and let's give its name DTM final, and select the compression types to LZW. Okay. And now click save. It takes some time. hold on, it's 35, 37, 39%, 43%, and 15%. Okay, this is depends on the laptop or desktop you are using. Okay, it's 100%, and let's select no, we don't want to view this now, and let's open that file and check is open or not. Final, and the DTM final is the product we have extracted. Let's open it using window photo viewer and check if this opens or not. Okay, let's open it, and it's loading now. And now we can visualize it in window photo viewer. And the older product was also a good product, and the difference between these two types of product is that we have used renderer during the extraction process, and also we have forced in RGB visualization, and this doesn't affect the orthomosaic image, but it affects the DTM because it changed the pixel value, and it changed the pixel value or elevation value to RGB value. Okay, when we import the extracted DTM to the ArcGIS, we can see. Okay, let's see in the screen, and in the screen you can see that the DTM final product has a 3 band 1, band 2, band 3, and band 1 represents red, band 2 to green, and band 3 to blue. And but in our original product it represents the value, the pixel value, and that's the difference. When we have forced the RGB visualization, this affects. You should consider this, or you should only export it, or you should also only try to export the orthomosaic and it doesn't change any value. Okay, and let's check the value in the extracted DTM, and here you can see that the value have are red band, green band, and blue band, and it has different values. And but in original product we only have one values, that is pixel value, or if you have used stretching, then there will be stretch value. Okay, so we should consider this and utilize it to visualize. Thank you so much, and this is the video. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We upload these types of video always. You can check our others video too. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Keep learning.